what you waiting on. Yeah. This what you waiting for. Girl, I know you're a bad bitch, so I'ma show you what you've been waiting on. Money's okay. One sex all day, or we could do it our way. Let's get the foreplay. Ooh, you're my babe.
Hey guys, welcome to my new video featuring my new DIY ring light that I made. If you missed that video, link in bio. If you know me like the slightest bit, you know half the time I don't like the way my hair looks and I just hate, like, I guess, taking care of it. That sounds really stupid because I'm always getting compliments like, oh, I wish I had hair like yours, blah, blah, blah. But it takes a lot to maintain all that, and I just, half the time I don't feel like it, so I straightened it, obviously. It's so much easier to deal with when it's straight, so I just thought I would show the process of me going from from curly to straight hair. I forgot to put at the end the little spray mist I put on my hair after I'm done, which gives like a shine or whatever and like holds it, I guess. So that's that. But everything else, that's pretty much what I do to straighten my hair. So if you want to see how I do so, keep watching.
Swear the liquor is going straight to my head. Yeah. Tell me what you faded on. Show me what you faded on. Baby, stay true, let me stay true. Yeah. Cause I don't have a bitch, it's wanna be you. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. But slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Slowly reversing positions. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Only if both of you make that decision. Can I make you feel right? Now can I make you feel right? The drinks and the weed got me zoning. You and your girlfriend be moaning. Damn, I can tell that she want it, just by the way that she flown it. Oh, seems like fucking was always a mission. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Slow down, slow down, slow down. Shawty, why you always rushing? Cause with me you always crushing. Down for whatever, that's cool. I'ma lay you down on a bed if that's cool, yeah. You can watch it through the mirror. Get on top just so you can see it clearer. Don't worry, you'll be home soon. You can tell your girlfriend she can come too, yeah. And if it's your first time, I wouldn't be so surprised if I wanna go a third time, yeah. No time for love making, girl, you're mine for the taking, and there's no need for thinking. Slowly reversing positions. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Only if both of you make that decision. Can I make you feel right? Now can I make you feel right? The drinks and the weed got me zoning. You and your girlfriend be moaning. Damn, I can tell that she want it, just by the way that she flown it. Oh, seems like fucking was always the mission. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Yeah. And I was like, good girl gone bad on the rooftop. Pick her up in the cab by the boondocks. Catch an interaction from a two-top. She got a nice selection like a jukebox. Shorty wanna roll one before we go. In the trap now we lit, baby, here we go. Feel the heat like a dick through the pouring hole. Beat it up, then we out, that's how the story goes. And if it's her first time, I wouldn't be so surprised if she wanna go third time.
Okay, I'm done blow drying.
No time for love making, cause you're mine for the taking. There's no need to thank me. Slowly reversing positions. Can I make you feel right? Can I make feel right. But this in the week got me zoning. You and your girlfriend be moaning. Damn, I can tell that she want it, just by the way that she flown it. Seems like fucking was always the mission. Can I make you feel right? Can I make you feel right? Slow down, slow down, slow down. Yeah. Can I make you feel right? Make you feel right?
Everybody friendly, but they ready for the kill. I used to mix the Xannies, but you know I'd rather feel. And everybody talking, but they don't say how they feel. I know, I know. Everybody friendly, but they waiting on the deal. People taking off their clothes, listening to Can't Sleep Alone. It gets harder to remember what I did without it. Now I'm all about it. I know you're keeping up. 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 Keeping up with your favorite show. Keeping up, baby, on the low. I know you're keeping up. I know you're keeping up. Everybody friendly, but they ready for the kill. No more karaoke, man, I do this shit for real, yeah. And I'm sure you know all about it. I hate to do it, but you're leaving me no choice. I wanna toast with who I came with. Don't need no fake shit. Call New York, Skype LA, different shit every day. And I'm sure you heard all about it, because you're keeping up. I know you're keeping up. I know you're keeping up. I know you're keeping up. Keeping up with your favorite show. Keeping up, baby, on the low. I know you're keeping up. I know you're keeping up.
Keeping up with your old niggas, and I ain't got the time for it. Broke just don't suit the kid. Guess I feel like time for it. I'm back in action, I'm back in action. I'll call some more, so we'll get it cracking. Good morning, text, a good evening, sex is there. I'm next, but won't catch me lacking. Car creeping up, it's you speaking up, cause that game running out on me. Know you've been around the bases with several faces, girl. Just follow this wave. Wife was in fuck in the morning, my other bitch hit me like, hey baby, how you day? But I don't say numbers, can't trust them, cause all these girls nowadays.
I know you're keeping up. 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 Keeping up with your favorite show. Keeping up, baby, on the low. I know you're keeping up. I know you're keeping up.
I wanna sit you down and sit you down. Wrap my arms around you. Yeah. I'm not worried about nobody else. It's just me and you tonight. No, I don't wanna fuss and fight. I just wanna make things right, girl, you deserve it. I swear. Yeah. You're all that matters to me. Yeah. I got a little too much going on, wait a minute. Try and hit the road, make these niggas pay attention. But you been right there holding on till I finish. You wait right there, girl, I swear you about to get it. No, no. I swear that you're killing these hoes. And I don't think that you be knowing you got me on top of the...
So this is the result. My hair gets frizzy really fast just because I don't straighten it often, so this is what happens. And disclaimer, I know my layers are pretty messed up just because every time my hair is cut it's curly, so when we straighten it, that's what happens. So yeah, it's a chap life, but hey, don't come for me. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want to see anything else. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, you know, YouTubers be saying. I can't keep up because it's a lot. So yeah, I will see you guys next video. Bye.